Turning out to be yet another fabulous day for the market. 6611, that's the level you've got on the Nifty, and we took out that 6600 mark very comfortably on opening. So once again, you've got the markets trading at record highs. 6623, that's the record that's been set for today. But for the Sensex as well, we are up by about a third of a percent. That's close to 73 points. The banking pack's not too far behind. In fact, it's just 900 points away from its 52-week high levels on the frontliners today. Then you can see some pressure building up on the IT pack because, of course, the currency has also stabilized around that 60.2 mark. In addition to that, FMCG is also looking a bit sticky this morning, as is the pharma pack. The biggest movers then on the Nifty are coming in the form of Hindalco, a Jindal Steel. Those names are up by close to 3% You've also got a Gas Authority of India that's up about 8 odd rupees. Tata Motors has crossed that 400 mark as well and maintaining that level. ACC, that's hit a fresh 52-week high. In fact, in today's session, Sesa Sterlite's also up by 2%. In addition to that, Amarthi also is at a fresh 52-week high today, as is an ICICI Bank. As can be imagined, you don't have too many losers coming in on the Nifty right now. In fact, the advance decline is at about 4:1, so that's about just about 10 stocks in the red zone right now. ITC, a Dr. Reddy's, Lupin, as well as a TCS, those are lower by about 1%. And all your price and volume-led action, of course, is continuing with quite smart, on quite a smart wicket, really. And IDFC, as you can see, we are seeing strong moves coming into that in terms of the price volume action. That stock's up by about 1.5% on some very hefty volumes at that. So good going, at least. For an IDFC as well. Volumes of almost, I think, 30 lakh shares, in fact, have been clocked in already. So good gains. And currently, IDFC at the highest point of the day.
Yeah, of course, and it is one of the entrants for the bank license, and we perhaps will be hearing some news on that front. Maybe that's why you're seeing a rally, but it's a very strong move, and in the last 1 month, the counter has gained something like 20%. So very heavy volumes is what you're seeing on the counter in today's session as well. And remember, it has been in the news of late with respect to IDFC Alternatives also, which laid something like 750 crores in the real estate fund, and that counter has picked up very steadily. Take a look at the volume activity. So that you've got an IDFC which is currently seeing a very strong footing right now, and it looks like the movement on the upside is clearly not abating at all. It's at the day's high, so up by a good 2% at close to 113. So currently at the day's high for IDFC, and we'll have to wait and watch what happens with respect to the back licenses as well, as that's going to be a clear determinant for this stock in terms of the direction that it takes, up by a good 2%.